Ikukwento ko sa inyo kung ano yung naranasan namin sa 2 araw na pag-iikot sa Pangasinan. Wala mang mga experience sa lugar na pupuntahan, maganda naman ang kinalabasan. Si Aga at Dexter din pala nilabasan. Nilabasan ng hangin sa gulong. Joke lang, may 2 lang babae na nakisabay sa daan papunta sa kabilang bayan. At sa halos 700 kilometers na takbuhan, change oil na naman. Let's go! Nagsimula kami bumiyahe alas 12 ng madaling araw. Yan, kasama ko si Wow, si Gerard, si Aga, si Chanchan, si J-Mark, at si Leonard. Lahat kami galing Bagong Silang, Caloocan, dumaan ng Bulacan, rat-ratang daan ng Nueva Ecija, at ligo-likong daan sa Pangasinan. At ang una namin napunta ng Maliko. Ang ganda men! Nakakapagod pala mag-edit ng ganito pre. Nakapagod na ako sa voice record na to. Picture ka na handsome. Uy, grabe naman. Nakasabi pa si babe. Uy, grabe naman. Mula Maliko, Pangasinan, biniyahin na namin papuntang dagat sa Bulinaw, kung saan kami nagpahinga. At nagpaabot na ng kinabukasan. Halos 4 hours din yung layo ng distansya namin papuntang dagat. Tapos nakita ako si Dexter. Akala ko si Meme lang. Kinabahan ako. Natulog. Natulog si pare.
Anak, kung bigit-bigit na ako, bro.
At nakarating na kami sa Bulinaw, Patar, Pangasinan, kung saan kami nag-relax. Nagtayo lang kami ng tent. Nang huli ng isda, kinamusta yung mga kamag-anak ni Aga na dikya, at manghuli daw si J-Mark ng tilapia. At kinabukasan nagready na kami pauwi sa Caloocan. At dinaanan namin yung pinakamagandang kalsadang nadaanan namin sa buong buhay namin, men. Solid dun, men. At another 2 hours na naman bago namin marating ang daang Katutubo. Ito siya.
It's been a long road and here I lay it down. Oh, pass away my whole life can pass away. I'm moving forward, ain't no way I'll turn around. Oh, pass away my whole life can pass away. Every day you get a new beginning, you can take your past and put it all behind. New mercy to living with a purpose, you gotta push forward cause you can't rewind. Take the time and get close, draw near. Bring the peace and take away my fear, Lord. Fight against those who fight against me cause I'm all out of patience just so that we're clear. There's wolves in the fence and snakes in the grass. They envy your drive, they hope that you crash. You're dealing with pride, they hate to be last. But I've been there too, so I understand. We all fall short in the middle of it all. Some days we slip and disconnect the call. I know that you're breaking me down just to build me back up. I'm here for it all. It's been a long road and here I lay it down. Oh, pass away my whole life can pass away. I'm moving forward, ain't no way I'll turn around. Oh, pass away my whole life can pass away. I was a dead man walking, you could put the nails in the coffin. I don't wanna dig it up again, from the old to the new, from the lies to the truth. I don't wanna go back, I don't wanna fit